In today's video, you are going to learn how to master crypto, stocks, and Forex trading. Applying these rules when you trade is going to help you tremendously. Make sure you avoid trading with emotions. Trade with strategy instead. The worst trades are emotional trades. I can assure you that because I've made a lot of emotional trades in the past and it didn't end up well. So before you buy any crypto coins, stocks, or currency pair, ask yourself these questions. What is my entry point? Where is my stop loss? What is my exit target? No plan means you're gambling. Great traders always trade with rules. So make sure you avoid using your emotions in your trade. Focus solely on your strategy when you trade. Know your candles. Guys, trust me. Each candles you see out there tells a story. All you need to know is understand what the story is to you at that point in time when you are trading. If it means bullish, bearish, or just indecision candle, like the green represent buyers and in control, the red equals to sellers pushing back, doji is indecision candle. So whenever you see these candles on your screen, be rest assured that they are telling you a story. So watch out for reversal pattern like hammer or engulfing candles. They often signal a big move is about to take place in the market. Knowing your candles is very important. So make sure you go and study your candles properly. Make sure you understand what is hammer, what is engulfing candle, what is green candle, green, red, or what it signifies, the doji. You can even go further to learn more of the candles that are out there. It's going to help you to understand when to trade and when not to trade the market. Don't skip the trend. The trend is your best friend until it ends. Guys, trust me, you want to always trade the trend. Don't trade against the trend. When you trade against the trend, then you are going to lose money. I've done that a lot of time. And this happens most often when you are trading with emotions. When you eliminate your emotions and you focus on your strategy, you are going to be taking the right trade. And taking the right trade means you are following the trend. So downtrend means lower highs, lower lows. Uptrend means higher highs, higher lows. Trade with the trend, not against it. Trying to catch the bottom is where beginners lose money. I've done this multiple times, trying to catch the bottom. Avoid catching the bottom. Trying to catch the bottom is how you lose money in this game. So make sure you look for confirmation candles before you get into that trade. Make sure price is in the trend that you want to trade, before you engage in that trade. Don't just go blindly. Make sure you know the trend properly. Risk what you can lose. Only invest what you are willing to lose and protect it. Rule of thumb, never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Use stop loss orders religiously. Capital preservation is priority number one. So when you are trading, risk management is the key. If you don't apply risk management properly, you are going to lose everything within no time. So make sure you know what you're risking and what you are not risking. And by the way, guys, don't go and invest or start trading with money that you want to use to do something else, like paying your bills, paying your rent, paying for your mortgage, buying your phone, taking care of yourself, your family, your wife, your kids. You don't want to do all of this. Make sure you actually use money that you can afford to lose so that you won't be stressed up when you lose, let's say 1% or 2% of it. You're going to be okay knowing that it's a process, and when you apply it with time, you are going to win when the right time comes. So make sure you are risking what you can afford to lose. Volume confirm the move. Guys, trading against the volume, you are trading against yourself. Price moves are louder when volume speaks. This is actually the truth, guys. When the volume is there, then you are going to see the trend. If the volume is not there, the trend is unclear. So big breakout, check if volume is rising too. If you see a big spike, poof, to the up, make sure you check whether the volume is high too to confirm that move. Low volume means fake out risk. So make sure you check the volume so that you'll be able to identify fake out. High volume equals to market conviction. So when there's high volume, there is market conviction. You know that actually this volume is being confirmed by the current trend of the market. So this is important. Use volume to confirm trend or spot early reversal. Volume is the key. Don't trade when there's no volume. Always trade when the volume is there and it confirms with what price action is saying, or it aligns with your strategy. If it's not aligning with what you want to do, then make sure you stay away from it. Practice before you profit. Paper trade like it's real money, guys. You have to practice. Don't just go and start trading with real money without you practicing. I've done that multiple times. And what happened in the end? I lose real money. I would have been doing this with paper money and treating it as if it was real money. And in the end, using the real money would have been beneficial for me. Don't rush into the live trade. Use demo account or simulators to test your strategy, build discipline, learn the interface. Treat fake money seriously. Your future self will thank you. Yeah, your future self will definitely thank you if you treat paper money as if it's real money. Because if you don't, then you have hard time treating real money. And finally, news moves markets. Fundamentals fuel volatility. Crypto, stocks, Forex is hyper reactive to news, regulations updates, exchange hack, big endorsement like Elon Musk tweet. Always check the news calendar before entering trades. A pump or dump can begin with a single headline. So, guys, make sure you check the weekly calendar of the financial market. You can do this by going to forexfactory.com to check news event every week. So before you trade, let's say on Mondays or Tuesday or Wednesdays, you already know when the news event is going to take place and what you should be doing to avoid trading against the trend. I believe applying these rules is going to improve your win rates accordingly. Trust me, I can attest to that. So if this video was helpful to you and you want me to keep doing more of such videos, feel free to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this video with someone else out there. If you want to get some materials that I mentioned here, like Forex Factory and other stuff, you make sure you check the description. There's lots of resources there for you. If you are a beginner who wants to take a full tutorial on trading the financial market, then make sure you go below this video. There are links where you're gonna first of all join my free Telegram community. There you're gonna find others who are in the financial market and are there to exchange ideas with you. And just let me know when you join the group that you are interested in taking the full course. I am going to help you do just that. I teach one-on-one to make sure you understand everything that has to do with trading, investing, to take you to the next levels. And more to that, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video with someone else out there. Until then, guys, see you the next one. Bye-bye. Ciao.